guys, so this is our newest product that we are going to install. It is the rear skid plate from Next Venture Motorsports, and it is going to go down there. So these are all the parts that comes with it, and that, and of course this. There you go.
This is nice. It has that eagle.
Yeah, it has the eagle, and I actually like the color. Well, because I picked bare metal, that's why. And yeah, I like the bare metal color for this. So it's going to go like this. And then these two pieces are going to go like that. Like this, right? And then the last one is going to go like this. Connected to up there.
So we were able to
Maneuver
and fit it in.
So this is the passenger side right now.
Yeah.
And then now we have to just put the screws in.
Yeah.
We already inserted the first screw. And what's that piece back here?
Yeah.
Okay, show it to them.
So there's like a piece. Oh, they can't see it. It's too dark. There you go. So it's this piece right here. And if you go, you can see it inside right there. Moving.
Yep. All right, I can see it already. All right. So this is the difficult part, is putting that screw in. But, you know, we got it. So it's already going up. The easy part is putting these two screws in. That's the easiest part. This is the most difficult part right here. This is it. We're done.
Yeah.
All nice and tight. And this is just the hardest part right here. Yep, this screw right there. All right, off to the next side. So this was an easy fix right here, because we already knew what to do from the other side, and we already got those two bolts hand screwed. Hand tight, I mean. We finished putting in the last screw right there.
Yeah.
And the camera won't even show it. Oh, yeah. There you go. There's that last screw piece right there. All done. All right. So that's it.
Yeah. That was quick.
That was quick. It's already nighttime, so we have all the flashlights. So this is how it looks like from the rear or from the back.
You need to put your tires passenger. Okay. Not too much though. Just go, yeah. Just go. Did it hit again? No, you're barely. So just go forward. Nope. Hold on. Yeah, go, passenger. No, go reverse. Passenger is not going to make it, so we would need to go driver. Okay? Yeah. So you go driver now. Yeah. Go. Right there. Woo! There you go.
What was that? Let me put it down. What the hell? What was that?
So it's that rock right there.
Which one? This or this?
That rock. And it's hitting.
It didn't get our rear differential. That's what I was scared of.
It's hitting your skid plate right there.
Oh, our new skid plate.
Yeah.
Oh crap.
See?
Oh, that's nice. Made a nice
I know.
All right, cool. It stopped it.
I know.
Whatever. All right,
Okay,
let's go.
Let's go.
So we're here at Yellow Vase Cafe Restaurant, and we got ourselves the Monte Cristo brioche sandwich with French toast. We both got the same.
Yeah.
Wow, this thing looks good. Look at that. Woo-wee. All right, let's do this.
It's hitting your skid plate right there.